Hi, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and in this tutorial we will create this beautiful twisted wire rope in Solidworks. This would be practice exercise 39 of this playlist, and I will provide its file in the description link, so you can download it from there and you can practice. Okay, so let's go to here, new, select part and double click. Okay, so first of all I will change my units to mmgs, and then I will change my background to plain white. Okay, first I will draw a spline on front plane. So let's choose front plane, sketch, and I will select this one, spline, and I will sketch a random spline here. Okay, let's go to your smart dimension, and let's say this dimension is 300. Let's exit this sketch. Let's make a reference plane. So let's go to your features, reference geometry, plane. First I will select this one, and then I will select this point. Now you can see that a plane is created. Okay, so let's go to your sketch, and here basically I will create a profile of this twisted rope. I will select this plane, and I will select circle, and I will create very small circle having diameter 20 units or 20 millimeters. Okay, and let's make it construction, and let's make one circle here, and let's say this diameter is 6 millimeters. And now I will use circular pattern command. So I will select this one, circular sketch pattern. I will select this circle, and the number of circles, let's say 9, okay, 10, and I will exit this sketch. Okay, now I will hide this plane as well, and now I will use this command. I'll go to your features, swept boss base, and I will select this one. Sketch profile is this one, and then path is this one. And now I will go to here options, and here in the profile orientation I will select this one, follow path, and in the profile twist I will select let's say this one, specify twist value, and in the twist control I will select this one, revolutions, and here I will write 1.5 revolutions, and I will select this one, merge tangent faces, and I will click OK. Now I will apply appearance to each twisted rope. So I'll go to here my body, and I will select this one. I'll go to here appearance, and I will select this one, and let's say first I will select this one, red. Okay, and then let's say this one. Here I will choose, let's say, orange, and let's go to your third one. So that's how you can create this beautiful twisted rope in Solidworks using very simple sweep command. And I hope you like this short tutorial. If you have still any question, any query, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. Thank you.